Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Imagine you're driving down the road, music playing, everything seems fine until, BAM! An accident happens. In that moment, the last thing you want to worry about is, how am I going to pay for this? That's where car insurance comes in. But how does it actually work, and why do you even need it? Today, I'm breaking down car insurance, why it's important, the different types of coverage, and how you can save money on your policy. Let's dive in. First off, car insurance isn't just another bill, it's financial protection. Think about this. The average cost of a car accident with injuries is over $20,000. Without insurance, that money comes straight from your pocket. And it's not just about protecting yourself. In most states, car insurance is legally required. If you're caught driving without it, you could face fines, license suspension, or even legal trouble. Not all car insurance is the same. Let's break down the key types of coverage you'll see on a policy. First, liability insurance. This is the most basic coverage, and it's required in almost every state. It pays for damage and injuries you cause to others in an accident, but it won't cover your own car or medical bills. Then we have collision coverage. This pays for damage to your own car if you hit another vehicle or an object, like a tree or a pole. Next up, comprehensive coverage. This covers non-collision damage, things like theft, fire, vandalism, or weather damage. If a tree falls on your car, or a hailstorm wrecks your windshield, this is the coverage that saves the day. Finally, uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. This protects you if someone else causes an accident but doesn't have enough insurance to cover the damages, or worse, they drive away without stopping. Now let's talk about saving money, because let's be honest, car insurance can be expensive. Here are some ways to lower your premiums. First, don't settle for the first quote you get. Different companies offer different rates, so shopping around can save you hundreds per year. Next, consider raising your deductible. A higher deductible means lower monthly payments, but make sure you can afford it if you ever need to file a claim. Bundling your car insurance with other policies like home or renter's insurance can also get you a discount. Finally, ask about discounts. Many insurance companies offer savings for good driving records, taking defensive driving courses, or even having safety features in your car. So, what actually happens if you need to use your insurance? First, you'll report the accident to your insurance company. They'll ask for details, photos, and any police reports if applicable. Next, an adjuster will assess the damage and determine how much the company will cover. If everything checks out, you'll receive a payout, either to repair your car or cover medical expenses. Just remember, the more claims you file, the higher your rates could go. So, for minor damage, it might be better to pay out of pocket instead of filing a claim. Car insurance isn't just about following the law, it's about protecting yourself, your passengers, and your finances. Choosing the right coverage and finding ways to save can make a big difference. Do you have any car insurance questions? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insurance tips. Thanks for watching, and drive safe.